Hello guys, this is Moses FX Moss Trading Academy. Guys, robots are the real deal when it comes to trading. Banks are using robots, but we as traders, we are retail traders, we are busy, trying all by means to beat banks. We can't beat them. We must create robots. Then see this robot, okay, as you can see, I was testing it, $3,000. Then see the loss is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 losses. Let us count the profits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 58. Profit is 58. Okay, let us check now. The profit is $241. The lot size 12, 16, 27. The bigger lot size is 20 here. This is the robot. Let us go to VIX, the one VIX. Okay, let me go back to the trades. It's 1 minute. It will penetrate in no time. It is a good robot. Then just go here. As you can see, VIX. It's a demo that I'm using. I was testing it here. As you can see, this robot. It put all the pair. It is a good robot so far. As you can see, it is good. It is good. It is good. Okay. Yeah. This is it. Let us go to history. Profits. Okay, I was trying to trade. Where you see red, it was me. I stopped the robot and I tried to trade on my own. Most of the time, don't V75, it was me trading. V10, it was the robot. This one, yes, it was the robot. Boom, it was me. I took back. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. This is the robot. It is running, because I was doubting this robot, but now what I'm seeing surprises me. Okay, thank you very much. If you want to buy this robot, you can WhatsApp me or email me. I'll drop my email.